Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use CeraVe's Ultra Light Moisturizing Gel, which is non-comedogenic, and this means that it won't clog pores. It's fragrance and paraben free, and it contains glycerin, niacinamide, ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which all help to moisturize and strengthen the skin barrier. It also contains dimethicone as its main sealing agent to help seal in hydration. So the gel delivers hydration while offering a lightweight, breathable seal that does not feel heavy on the skin, and this makes it an ideal choice for normal to oilier skin types. However, the gel is not ideal for dry skin, which often requires more nourishing ingredients and more occlusive sealing agents such as shea butter or petrolatum. But now I want to share with you the proper application technique and provide some example skincare routines after the demonstration, and this way you have a better idea on how you can combine this gel with other CeraVe products which you may have at home. And before you're going to apply the gel to your face, it's important to properly wash it with the right cleanser. So for example, CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser for dry to normal skin types, or CeraVe's Foaming Cleanser for normal to oilier skin types. And in this demonstration, I'm going to use a CeraVe's Foaming Cleanser as my skin type is normal to oily, as it helps to effectively remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, light sunscreen and makeup from the skin. So let's get started. Begin by wetting your face with lukewarm to warm water. Then take about 1 pump of the cleanser, blend it between your hands, and then massage it evenly over your face and neck for about 15 to 30 seconds. After massaging, rinse it off thoroughly with warm water. If you're at the sink, I recommend using a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth to help remove the last traces of cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. After using the washcloth, rinse your face several times to ensure all residue is removed. Then take a clean towel and gently pat all over your skin to remove the remaining water droplets. And now it's time to apply CeraVe's Ultra Light Moisturizing Gel to the face. Dispense about 1 to 2 pumps of the moisturizing gel onto your fingertips. Blend it between your fingers and then apply it evenly over your face and neck. Leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. Now you can stop right here, and there's no need to follow with anything else afterwards. However, if this is your morning skincare routine and you're planning on spending the day outside, then I recommend using a sunscreen to protect against sun damage. Now I've prepared a few PowerPoint example routines which are available for you to download in the description box down below. And these show how the gel could be used in a more advanced skincare routine. So at the top of the routines you can see the concerns they target. Underneath are the products in the correct order of application, and at the bottom of the page are general directions on how I recommend using the products. For the morning skincare routine, I kept it simple. The routine focuses on properly washing the face, fading skin discoloration such as dark spots, adding hydration and providing protection against UV rays. So the first step is to cleanse your face with your favorite CeraVe cleanser. Make sure that it's suitable for your skin type and concerns. Then follow with CeraVe's Vitamin C Serum or any other water-based Vitamin C serum. Give it a couple of minutes to absorb, and then layer the gel moisturizer on top. And lastly, apply your sunscreen. For the evening, we have a couple of examples. The first routine involves properly washing our face to remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, light makeup and sunscreen. Then we loosen the bonds of the dead skin cells on the skin surface and unclog pores with CeraVe Acne or Blemish Control Gel, giving it a few minutes so that it's not influenced too much by the pH of the moisturizer. And then lastly, we use the gel to add a layer of hydration and breathable seal. For the second evening skincare routine, I included CeraVe's retinol formulations. Clean the face, then pat the skin dry, and then follow with the retinol to speed up the skin cell turnover, which has anti-aging benefits like boosting collagen production, reducing fine lines and fading pigmentation. And lastly, follow with the gel moisturizer to balance hydration. The routines can be followed on alternate days, or just choose the routines that you like and then adjust the frequency to your needs. Now I hope that I could give you some ideas, and if you have any more questions, just drop them in the comment section below and I will help you out. Now I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching and happy skincaring!